Rivals, 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 rivals! Hey, I've been saying that I wanted to do this, so here it is. It's finally here, and let's have some fun too. I remember playing Super Golf. That's a separate game that the owner made. I love that game so much. And now seeing them move on with Rival still warms my heart, because it's the owner of Super Golf. And if y'all don't know Super Golf, then I might do a gameplay on that too. Well, let's get this in.
Okay, guys, I am going to cook y'all.
Who are you talking to? I am the GOAT, bro!
Not to be bragging, but y'all know that I am better.
We know try hard.
No, actually, I am the real tryhard.
Ha 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 ha, you are funny.
Stop making freaking fun of me, dang it!
Yeah, if you shut up.
Okay, let's get this. I got King Korea back on my team, so we will cook.
Well, we will see then.
Annie and Soraya will destroy y'all.
Autobots roll out. You were saying...
I was a FK.
It's AFK! Plus, I'm kinda a new player, and beat you is crazy.
Shut up.
I am still the GOAT, and I will still beat you. Too freaking easy! Get out!
Bro, we got this, bro, like we are the GOAT bro to easy, bro. It's not funny like literally, bro.
Stop it with the bro, and you are trash.
Who's trash? Haha!
Dang, boy, you are getting your butt kicked down there. It's not letting me shoot like literally, man.
No, you just suck.
Shut up. Let's get this in, man. Thank you for the comment, Blake Bionon. That easy, Korea?
Hey, stop making fun of me!
I am sucking tired of people making fun of me like that's not
Too
funny,
freaking
man,
easy,
bro,
Soraya. You
dog.
got nothing on me. And let's go. Orog steak butt kick. Oh yeah, Victor Wembanyama. He is 7'4", and he is dominating the NBA right now. To me, he is better than LeBron James.
Clearly, he's not Brew. Shut up, man.
Too easy killed both of y'all, and Karya, shut up.
Who the freak?
I am talking to you, boy.
My bad, bro.
We are winning by 2 men.
And we get our comebacky.
Yeah, right, bro. Dang, he killed me under a millisecond.
Just like he told you.
Boy, you are not a tryhard. Just go and get her. See, what the heck are you doing?
Mel Lion Leon, you are trash!
You were saying, boy.
Hey, don't talk to me like that. I am King Kaya, and I will rule you over. I am the freaking king. SND, you will be on your back eating the dirt. How about I will hurt you?
Who know one word he just said?
I don't know.
I don't know.
1 second.
Shut up and let me look in and play that battle music, DJ.
Okay, I got you, man.
What the
my
heck is
bad,
this?
Wrong music. Shoot, man, I got this.
Why the heck are you standing there?
My bad, bro.
Bro, no! I lost, but let's go against people that's not my siblings. A 2v1. Well, we are are winning. Two, too freaking easy, man. Dummy, I was behind you. Like, look both directions, boy. Come on, give me a challenge, not saying you are trash, because I am trash at this game. But still. What are you doing, man? Like, literally, man, be serious, man. Okay, skip this. To easy, man. Look at my swaggy self. So freaking cool. Where am I now, Broom and Brew? Dang, man, is this a new player? Server Beakies, all these people are trashy. Easy, man. So I know y'all see me throwing this, so why is this not out my hand, man?
Yeah, I am doing you a favor by skipping this.
Thank you. Two v two time me. Let's go. They are leaping and twirling like Michael Jordan. What the heck? I didn't even see where they went. Spotted some tryhards. Lock-in mode activated. Not right now, Game Jolt, and I don't know what is that. What the fuck? Oh my gosh! And yet my teammates is a try-hard. That's good. Just shoot them! Gosh! I'm behind you. Look at me getting good. How did I land that shot? I know why. Because I am the Rivals King! I know you now. How did I survive that, man? Ah! Bro, that's easy now. Kill him. Too easy, like the 2 wins we have. All right, DJ, you know what I'm about to say. Hit that beat.
Okay.
Turn into coins, man. You dummy. Dang it. I just got body. Dang it. Bro is really clutching. Where did he come from? Yes. No, man! You got this, man! Yes, you are the GOAT, man. We did it. Shout out to Shark as R3NZ01433. You did it, man. We did it. The swaggy bros and the rivals bros. Well, that's all. Hope y'all enjoy. And Shark, you are the GOAT. Let's go.